Have you ever been excited to learn something new in programming, only to hit a frustrating roadblock? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Kotlin reflection and how to resolve it. I totally get how annoying it can be when you're trying to follow along with a tutorial and suddenly you encounter an error. You're not alone in this. Many learners face similar challenges when working with Kotlin. Let's take a closer look at the specific question that brought us here today. One user asked, "Why does my Kotlin code print Kotlin reflection is not available?" They shared their code and output, which raised some eyebrows. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does it mean when you see Kotlin reflection is not available? This message typically indicates that the Kotlin reflection library isn't accessible in your current environment. It can happen for various reasons, including missing dependencies or incorrect project setup. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to ensure your Kotlin environment is set up correctly to avoid these issues in the future. To understand why the message Kotlin reflection is not available appears, the user should first know that this message is related to how Kotlin handles function references. When the user uses the double colon syntax, like in lowercase, Kotlin tries to use reflection to get information about the function. However, reflection is not available in certain environments. To avoid this issue, the user can use lambda expressions instead of function references. This way, Kotlin does not need to use reflection. By making this change, the user should see that the output no longer includes the reflection message, and the program will run smoothly. Fun fact, did you know that Kotlin was developed by JetBrains, the same company behind IntelliJ IDEA? It's designed to be fully interoperable with Java, making it a favorite among developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests adding the Kotlin Reflect library to resolve the issue. They recommend including the dependency in your build file, specifically using the implementation line for Kotlin JDK 8 version 1.70. They tried this solution, and it worked for them. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always double-check your project setup and dependencies when you encounter issues. A little diligence can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the Kotlin reflection is not available issue. Remember, a well-configured environment is key to smooth coding. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep coding.